Welcome back, babes. My name is Eman, and today I'm sharing with you a skincare tip that will be a complete game changer for your skin. This is going to be one of the best beauty tips I've ever shared on my channel. Are you ready for it? Welcome to the world of shaving your face. And I know you guys are gonna have a million questions, and I'm going to answer all of them in this video. And don't believe the myths. This works, and I'll tell you why. We all have hair on our face. Some have more than others. I personally never had that much facial hair, so I never considered shaving my face ever. But once I learned all the benefits and the difference it makes in your skin, now I'm a true believer and I will never go back. Shaving your face is a form of exfoliation. So whether you have a lot of hair or just a little bit of peach fuzz, getting rid of all of that hair on your face leaves you with the smoothest skin ever. This is a complete game changer for how your makeup looks, basically how your skin just looks and feels overall. You will notice such a huge difference. Here's how you do it. You want to use a very specific razor to do this. So the one that I love is called a TINKLE. This is an eyebrow razor. You can purchase this from Amazon. A pack of 3 is under $5, so it's super affordable and they work great. It's a tiny little blade. This is all you need. It's going to be very gentle for working around the different parts of your face. Anywhere where you have any type of hair on your skin, whether it's peach fuzz or more, around your cheeks, lips, chin, eyebrows, you're going to use this TINKLE to remove it. You want to start by applying some kind of oil or hydrating mask. I'm using this one from Smashbox. This is going to give your skin a little bit of slip, so when you're using the blade, it's comfortable and doesn't irritate your skin. Next, in the areas where you have hair, you're going to use very short strokes to stroke the blade in the direction of the hair. Over the surface of the skin, it doesn't hurt at all. It actually feels very comfortable, and this is going to be, like I mentioned, a form of exfoliation. So this is going to get rid of any of those dead cells that fall into your pores and cause bacteria and cause breakouts. It's going to get rid of all of that. The blade just glides over the skin, and instantly your skin will feel so much smoother and completely peach fuzz free. You want to be sure to use very gentle pressure when you're doing this so you don't risk any chance of nicking your skin. You'll also notice that this will make all the makeup you apply on your skin go on so much smoother. Your foundation will go on like butter. Any type of highlighter you apply on the top of your cheekbones, there will be no more texture at all. It will go on so smooth. So you're going to see a huge difference in your makeup application. And this actually leaves your skin looking more glowing. And that's it. Your skin will feel smoother than it's ever felt. And the myth that shaving causes the hair to go back thicker and darker is not true. It doesn't come back thicker or coarser. And you can do this every 2 to 3 weeks, and you can reuse the same blade up to 3 to 4 times. This is one of my all-time favorite beauty secrets that I discovered this year. I'm so interested to see what you guys think. Leave me a comment below. If you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that big red subscribe button. Don't forget to add me on Instagram at Eman, and I can't wait to hear what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next tutorial very soon.